Here we are here, folks. All right, guys. It's just right at this.
You're gonna walk, are you?
Yeah, it's just right here where the red and green.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. No, bro, we're right in behind that house.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys should have came with the walk with me.
Yeah.
But I mean, I love those. I love those vehicles. Better than the unmarked cars. This way.
Where should I park? Just on the side of the road there?
Go this way, guys. Stop there. Yeah, this is the path he was taking during the construction. I don't know if you guys probably got a better flashlight than I do. But it don't matter. I mean, I got metal detector and stuff. I can find it in the morning. And I'll get that SD card and I could call you back up and we can upload it together or whatever. Just so you guys know that I don't lie.
No, I don't.
I don't lie. My statement is as true as can be.
No,
And I have, you know, I have nothing against the guy. I was trying to make him look good. But boys, he would have dozed the crap right out of it. And he lives right there at that house.
That house there?
Yeah. But let's see. Okay, he was parked in there. Right there.
Yeah.
And I was parked right around here somewhere.
Okay.
I was facing this way. He was facing my cousin's house.
Any idea where he threw it?
He threw it in behind my quad. And I couldn't find it. And he would have made sure, guys, that it's in there. Or it could be over there. I got to just get my metal detector tomorrow. It's in a... It's a GoPro 11 is what it is.
Those things are pretty tough, so hopefully...
Well, I got it in a tough casing, so I know even though the GoPro might be ruined, my SD card would be safe. But like I said, it might have uploaded into one of my other devices because I live right over there. That's my brother-in-law's house. That's my house there. So it might have uploaded in one of my other devices. So either way, if we can't find it, either way, I'll probably be able to figure out something on the footage to give you. But regardless, like I said, this is my land here. I wasn't in the wrong, trust me. It'd be a different story if I was in the wrong. Yeah, I'd let him punch me or do whatever the heck you want if I, you know.
It'll be hard to find tonight, I think.
That's okay, guys. Just let me ponder on that. First thing when the sun comes up, I'll look for it for you. And if you guys can give me an email or whatever.
Yeah, I can. The phone number.
Or the incident number, and then I could just...
Is that your...
I'd rather see you guys and upload the video or whatever together.
Is that your cell phone that I called you on?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, with these things, we have a link that I can send you.
Okay.
And then you'll be able to upload the video right to me. It'll come right to me.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't want to really take that and upload it. I don't want to make this community look bad, guys.
No.
And I don't want to. I want to sit down. I want to talk with him first before I upload anything. I got to see where his heart's at.
Probably.
And if his heart's in a bad spot, well, we'll put it up on YouTube and let people decide. You know?
But probably if you're like looking at proceeding with charges and stuff, probably best to not put it on YouTube,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But we gotta
I agree.
We got to look at all the evidence. But
Well,
maybe,
I want to make my reserve look good too. Like
maybe he was having a bad day too, right?
Could have
like,
been.
you know.
I like to sit down and talk with him about it, but
Okay.
I want you
do
guys.
do you want me to ask him if he'd be willing to do that?
you do what
And
you
then
guys
we
think.
can be present, like we can like honestly, like if like not like right now, but you know what I'm saying?
We're
Like,
just gonna have to let him ponder a little bit on his
Okay.
mistake here, because he's got to know that he made a big mistake, right?
Yeah.
And he's sitting there right now pondering, I know, and he's scared.
Okay.
He's probably not even there. He probably took off. That's how scared he is.
Okay.
But
All right,
you know-
well, we'll go have a chat with him.
yeah, have a chat with him. Stephanie is his wife, Stephanie
Okay.
Gould.
Okay.
Which address is his? Is this the one?
It's the one with the one right next with this lights here, the fancy stuff. Yeah,
blue one?
yeah, that one there. Yeah, the one you got the light on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go see if he's there.
All right.
All right,
Well,
Jody. Well, we'll be in touch. Okay.
good luck, and well, hopefully we can figure this out without YouTube people freaking out. You know what I mean? Because if it comes to the point to where he does good and admits his wrongdoings or whatever, well, guess what? You're safe. You won't go up on YouTube, but you know, on the same sense, if there's nothing but negative and bad, whatever towards me, because I'm filming all good stuff on reserve, well, all right, I'll let the YouTube people know, and they'll decide. they'll be my judge.
We'll be in touch.
All right, guys.
Are you gonna?
And what's your name again?
Manny? Yeah.
Manny.
Yeah.
What's your badge number?
58211.
58211.
And Joel.
Joel.
Robichaud, yeah.
My oldest brother that passed away was his name, Joel.
Okay. I'm
What's-
sorry to hear that. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your badge number?
69095.
Thank you, guys. Good work.
Okay.
Okay, I just got to take.
We'll be in touch. Okay.
Yeah. Where's my Indian stuff? You guys got to.
Oh, from Shannon, you mean?
Well,
Oh, that's on Shannon's vehicle.
oh, is it?
Yeah. He's off tonight.
Alpha,
Oh,
Alpha 10.
that's okay.
Alpha 10 has the badge on it.
Oh
But,
well.
these
We'll
are
get
Queens.
you guys some stickers.
Perfect.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
All right,
Good
guys.
luck.
Thanks, Nick.
Hopefully all goes well up there, guys. All right, there you guys go. That was it. Now let's hope these guys here, they do what, the right thing. And yeah, we'll go from there. There's my ex-wife's house. I can say that ex-wife now, I guess. This is neighbors. I used to hang out with these guys years ago. I was a little kid. Yeah, Christine and Terry Doucette. Yeah, they're good people. But yeah, there's back down at my mom's house here, I guess, for now. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna go back in here. Sit down with Mama Bear. Wait for these cops to return, and we'll keep you posted.